Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Galesburg, local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving services are seamless and flawless. We do not allow any mistakes to occur which could result in the loss or damage of the property. Sometimes your long-distance move can take you outside the state or within it depending on your destination. A long-distance move is above 50 miles. Therefore, it's a long-distance move if your destination is above 100 miles. But we got you covered. Even if it takes you outside the state, we can handle the strains of such a transfer. Our relationship with the federal and state authorities make it convenient to go this distance. Not only that, we have insurance policies on the ground that protects the client from all risk liabilities during and after the move. All these ensure the safety and security of the property while moving your desired destination. Our local movers are the best and most efficient around you in Galesburg. They are skilled and well equipped enough to transit you and your belongings through your locality. No matter how busy your streets get, we are sure to get you there in one piece. Per hour, we charge about $30 and $40, which is very affordable. Our drivers are also responsible and registered. They always ensure that the customer's needs come first. We can also help you get to your destination in the fastest time possible. You only have to ask around to confirm the excellence of our operations. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Galesburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.